Hi everyone, this is Bitcoingem. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying the daily analysis that I'm doing of different altcoins. So today let's begin our first analysis with Phil or Filecoin. Now FIL token has underperformed relative to a lot of other altcoins. It is still in this bear market accumulation zone. In my previous analysis, I had highlighted that it needs to break this $11 region for macro acceleration, but you can see it the $11 region acted as resistance. And even though it made almost 4x from the bear market bottom, but it is still in this accumulation. This is still a macro accumulation zone, and you can expect it to make huge waves or parabolic moves only once it breaks out of this $11 region. But if you believe in the project, in the long-term project prospect of this project, then it is currently again in the demand zone of around $4 region, $4 to $4.5 region is a good zone to accumulate some Filecoin if you want to. If at all it loses this support of around 4.3 to 4.5, then it can again go and retest this low of around 2.8. So currently it is retesting this demand zone. And if you want to add a bag, you can. And if you're holding a bag and if you are worried about its further correction, then you need to observe this $4 region, $4.4 region. Once it starts getting daily closing or weekly closing below 4.4, then there would be a very good chance of it going down and retesting this 2.8 to $3 region. The second chart for today is Arweave. Now done amazingly well. This was one of my high conviction plays for Bitcoingem Genesis NFT group, and we accumulated between $4 to $5 in the bear market. And since then, it did almost 10x and more than 10x for a lot of people from the Genesis NFT group. So currently, it is been ranging in this zone, which was previous resistance, and it's ranging in this zone between $22 to $45 region. Again, as long as it's holding $22 region, you can see this is the next major resistance zone which it is trying to flip. If at all there is some kind of further flash down, then $12 to $17 region would be a good zone to accumulate a bag of AR if you are looking to. But as long as $22 region is holding as support, it is safe and there is no risk of further correction. But if it loses $22 region, then there is a significant risk of it going and tagging these zones between $13 to $17 region. So that's AR for you very quickly. The third chart we are looking at is Phala or PHA. Coin, again, one of my high conviction plays for this bull market, and it is performed okay-ish. I'm not entirely happy with it, but again, that's an opportunity because I think this is one of the solid projects out there, and it's just a matter of time before it does some amazing wonders with its price action. So currently retesting this huge breakout region. You can see this was massive resistance and it is come down and retesting it as support, which is at around 13 to 14 cent region. As long as it is holding that, again, this is great zone to accumulate if you like the project. And as long as it's holding 13 cent region, it is likely to form some kind of support and again try to break these all resistances. But again, long-term perspective, I think this is a good bag to accumulate. The fourth chart for today is FTM. Did pretty well from its bear market low, and currently it is retesting this huge resistance at around 55 cent. You can see it took a good amount of time to break it and it's currently holding it as support. As long as it's holding it as support on the weekly, the acceleration will keep happening. But if it starts getting daily, weekly closings below 55 cents, then it will be back into this region and you can make a case of it retesting this 33 cent region, and the range low is at around 20 cent. But 55 cent, as long as it's holding its support, this should start as the reaccumulation zone, and then you can again make a case of it going higher, retesting that $1 $1.25 region. And if it loses 55 cents, the next major support is at around 33 cents. So these are four coins for today: Phil, Aviv, Pa, and FTM. I hope you're enjoying these videos and come back for new videos. Take care everyone. Bye bye.